Loss of internet. All right, so what happens if you lose the internet? With a client server system, I get this again all the time, and all the time the only people you've ever learned of whether or not an internet-based system or a web-based system is better for you. So where this misconception comes from, a lot of times, is from the only education you've gotten is from somebody that sells a client server system. So with a client server system, your updates are not available. So you can't get the updates. That's the worst thing that can happen if your internet goes down. With our system, the internet going down in your office is not the end of the world anymore. Maybe 5 years ago that was a little bit harder than it is now, but I can run an entire practice off of an iPhone with wireless internet connection, and that is still 100% data encrypted. Everything is still 100% HIPAA compliant. Everything is still good. So with a client server system, worst case is you can't get your updates. Worst case with the internet system, web-based system, is you can't get on the system. You can't access your data for a little bit of time. But again, if your crash box, I call it. I used to work as a waiter when I was younger as a student, and we had a crash box. If the power went out or something, there was a crash box, and you'd open it, and there'd be pens and pencils and old school order forms you see at diners and things you could still run your business off of, calculators. The crash box for a web-based platform, when the internet goes down, is your iPhone, and then your system's right back up and running. As long as you set it up that way from the beginning, it should be no problem.